Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study English speaking for beginners. Start by dedicating a small amount of time each day, perhaps 15 minutes, to speaking practice. Focus on simple, everyday phrases and essential vocabulary. Remember, making mistakes is a natural and important part of the learning process, so don't let fear hold you back from practicing your new skills. To improve your speaking, actively listen to native English speakers. Find engaging videos or podcasts and pay close attention to how words are pronounced and how sentences flow. Then, repeat what you hear aloud, trying to match their intonation and rhythm. Recording your own voice and comparing it to the original can highlight areas for improvement. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial for fluent speaking. Instead of memorizing long lists, learn new words within the context of sentences or short stories. Make an effort to use these new words in your daily speaking practice right away. Start by discussing topics you know well, which helps build confidence and allows you to speak more naturally. Practicing with others is an excellent way to boost your speaking skills. Look for a language exchange partner, either online or in your local community, to have real conversations. Joining an English conversation group can also provide regular opportunities to speak in a supportive environment. Start with simple dialogues and gradually challenge yourself with more complex discussions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.